Hey, this is Truth Electro Free Southeast, and today we're going to be showcasing our CS700 shake machine. This machine is a really reliable shake powerhouse. I can confidently say we have about 5,000 of these units running shake programs daily, and you probably know these names. There's Five Guys, Whataburger, and Arby's, and that's just the ones we know. Okay, there's probably a ton of them floating around in mom and pops and everything. But let's go ahead and show you how we can make a whole bunch of shakes with just one machine, just like that. The CS700 can make all sorts of shakes, custard sponge shakes, or just regular sponge shakes. We always start with classic spun vanilla. And just like that, vanilla sponge shake. And in between, of course, when you're running your program, you're going to have a cup of sanitizer water you're going to use to sanitize between each shake. And we're going to go ahead and move on to plastic. If you don't, like this vanilla, we're going to do cookies and cream. Like that, cookies and cream. Oops. Cherry. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. And if you like the chocolate sponge shake, you could also do that. And if you like strawberry shakes, we can do that too. Strawberry shake. And of course, if you want to chocolate in cookies and crumbles, we can do that as well. strawberry and Oreo shake. And there we have it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shakes in a matter of moments. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions about this unit, give us a call. See you in the next one.